Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Block Blast. So, this exciting puzzle game challenges your strategic thinking and quick decision making skills. Let's dive right into how to play this. So the main goal of Block Blast is to clear blocks from the board by matching colors. You aim to create combos and score points while trying to achieve the highest score possible. To get started, we'll have to first of all navigate to Play Store, go to the search bar, type in Block Blast and install this application. After installation gets finished, click on the play icon and Block Blast will open up. Here, click on the accept button, select allow. It is showing us a tutorial. Here, you can see you'll have to take these blocks. So these are the blocks. They'll be of different colors. Just place a block in a horizontal or vertical line and that will clear all the blocks. Now, this is second tutorial. Here, you can see when you complete a block sequence in vertical or horizontal, that will instantly clear all the blocks available. Now you can place these blocks. Simply take a block and put it anywhere you want. As you can see, when this line got made, it quickly disappeared. Now, as you can see, I have just these two blocks not available in this line. In order to finish them, I will take this, put it here, and as you can see, the block quickly disappeared. So that is the way blocks clear. Now you can click on settings icon at the top, and as you can see, you have the sound button, background music button. You can enable them or disable them by clicking there. Now you can click on more settings. Now you have these settings available. You can cut this out, press 2 times back, and this will quick Block Blast. Now I will tell you the gameplay mechanics. The first mechanic is clearing blocks. Tap 2 or more adjacent blocks of the same color to clear them. The more blocks you clear in a single move, the higher your score. Now, second mechanics is power-ups. As you progress, you will unlock special power-ups. So use these strategically to clear larger sections of the board or to gain extra points. Now, third gameplay mechanics is levels. The game features various levels, each with its unique challenges and objectives. Pay attention to the specific goals for each level, such as clearing a certain number of blocks or achieving a target score. Your score is based on the number of blocks cleared in each move. Combos and power-ups also significantly boost your score. Try to plan your moves to maximize your score potential. I also have some strategic tips for you. Plan ahead, utilize power-ups and focus on combos. So Block Blast is fun and engaging puzzle game that tests your skills and strategy. With these tips and techniques, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Block Blast master. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials and have fun playing Block Blast. And let us know your best scores in the comments below.